I've had phone calls saying upfront, can you change my brother-in-law? Can you change my daughter? Can you change my mother? Can you change my sister? Can you change my father? Because I'm suffering because of them. And this is how we begin our journey, because most of us, we think that we're suffering because of. And, we pay people to diagnose this and give us this diagnosis that you're suffering because of the black magic, or you're suffering because of the stars, you are suffering because of this dasha or that dasha, you're suffering because the house is not right for you, you are suffering because this city is not right for you. But nobody tells you that you are suffering because somewhere at soul level you have a need for suffering. So here I'm going to dissect the psycho-spiritual aspect of suffering. And after that, I will leave you to decide for yourself whether you really want to suffer, or you can opt out of suffering on your own. Trust it is totally possible to opt out of suffering, and there are ways to do that. The beginning can happen with this 5 days challenge, and you will see and feel the remarkable shift within yourself.
Listen to the new podcast now on Spotify, YouTube, and Facebook.